Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video because today I am going to show you something I am so proud of making. This is my very first time attempting to create something like this, and I think I found my new hobby. So one of my friends is getting married next month, and I was looking online for some creative gifts to get for her, and I came across these custom crystal Starbucks cups. Once I saw how expensive they were, I was thinking to myself, you know what, I could probably make this. So I decided to try it. I went on Amazon to look for some Starbucks cups to purchase, and the ones that I found were actually sold out. So I decided to go a different route, and I found these BPA-free double wall clear tumblers. They were not Starbucks branded, but I decided to do it anyway. So I found a logo. Actually, you know what, let me just show you the cup. So here it is. It's so pretty, it's sparkly. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'm so proud of it. I can't stop smiling because I am so happy with how it turned out. When I first started doing it, I was getting a little bit worried, like I'm not sure how this is going to turn out in the end, but it ended up working out just fine. And the total time, I would say it took me, will probably be about 10 to 12 hours. I worked on it a few hours each day after I got home from work. So I'm sure with the next one, it won't take me as long. Once I started catching my stride, it went along a lot faster. So I found a logo on Wikipedia for the mermaid logo for Starbucks, and I printed it out and taped it to the inside of the cup. And I just went for it. So let me talk to you about the glue. So the glue that you're going to need is E6000 glue. They do sell it at Michael's, and they also sell it at Amazon in a bundle with a wax pencil that I will link down below. I ended up getting the bundle because it came together, and the wax pencil makes it so easy to pick up the crystals and put them right on your cup. So I also wanted to customize it and add her wedding date to the back of it. So here is her wedding date right there, January 18th, so it's coming up very soon. I'm so excited about this. I really hope she loves it. I'm going to be inserting some clips showing you the process. I try to get as detailed as possible in showing you how I apply each crystal to the cup. So here is the lid, so you can see that. And if you're wondering why I use green all throughout, it's just because it's her favorite color. And it ended up working so well, and I was a little bit worried about using the same color as the Starbucks mermaid logo, but it ended up turning out, I think, pretty good at the end. Anyways, I know I keep saying that, but I'm so excited about it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it helped you. My next video, I'm really excited about these. I'm going to continue doing these since I found my new hobby. I've already started on my next cup. We used a grid with the sizing of the crystals. So the crystals that I used for this one were size SS20. For the next cup that I'm doing, I'm using SS16, and I'm using so many different colors. I'm using AB crystals, which I think is going to look amazing. And it is a sunflower design, so I cannot wait to show that to you. I might throw up a little sneak peek here so you can see it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm, and make sure you subscribe because I will be posting a ton of more videos, especially if you like videos like these. And I'm going to be, like I said, linking everything down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. I love it. I love it so much.